Hi everybody, welcome to Sunday, starting of the outfit of the day. Once again, I am extremely casual. I went to the gym this morning. After the gym, I came home and Swiffered my basement. The usual stuff, changed the sheets, do some laundry, did a little bit of ironing, ate my breakfast, and now it's like close to 1 o'clock and here I am. One thing I also did today is I figured out this new camera setup. Very exciting now. This is fancy, it has a remote, so none of this me coming up and clicking and turning off now. Plus the ring light is actually around the phone, so hopefully even when it's a dark, gloomy, dreary day like today, hopefully the lighting will be a lot better. As I just mentioned, the day is horrific. It's nasty outside, so my outfit kind of reflects what I'm doing and the weather. I do plan to run out after this to look at HomeSense. I need a new chair for my work at home office. The one I have, I got during the start of the pandemic, and it's literally fallen apart. If any of you have any suggestions as to a decent office chair that will last, that won't break the bank, please put in the comments below. So what am I wearing today as I step back, and hopefully you can see the full outfit this time because I now arrange my tripod and camera so that you can actually see things. I am wearing this linen blend t-shirt by Express. I got this a long time ago, maybe 2 years ago, in this olive green color. Very lightweight, very comfortable. And I'm wearing these very distressed Vigosh shorts. I'm pretty sure I got in a Stitch Fix. And they're actually like a size 4. I would probably say they're one size too big for me, but I'm okay with that. They're nice, comfortable, slouchy, hanging around at home and doing errands pants, or shorts, I should say. I don't have anything jewelry on. I didn't do my hair and my makeup today for you. But again, I'm just staying at home, doing some cleaning up, and like I said, running over to HomeSense looking for an office chair. I put on these like flip-flop Tory Burch imitation sandals. I decided not to wear my sandal Edelman today because I'm going out in the pouring rain and I don't want them to get ruined. And this is my outfit for today for bumming around the house. I'm hoping to excite you this coming week. I picked out all these great outfits to wear this coming week because I'm very excited. Our weather's supposed to turn. So let's hope Mother Nature makes it a little bit more crisp because it is super humid out there now. Not very hot, only about 80, but really like it's like the air is heavy. So I'm hoping that tapers off a little bit so I can start bringing out some of the fall transition stuff. Okay, take care, see you tomorrow, and hopefully for a better day of styling. Hi everyone, welcome to Monday and another outfit of the day. So what am I doing today? What's going on? What's the weather situation like? So today I have off because I had to go for my mammo at 8 a.m. this morning, and then one this afternoon, I actually have my gynecological appointment. So I decided to take what we call an unsick day at work today. I still got up at 5 a.m., went to the gym, but I took it extremely easy in a workout that was extremely difficult. So not overexerting myself because I wanted to go tomorrow. The weather outside, we've had crazy rainstorms. My husband was looking out this window here. Behind this camera is a big window overlooking our front yard. He goes, "What happened to our recycling bin?" And I said, "I don't know. You did put it out last night. I remember seeing it." So I had to then go out and hunt the recycling bin, which is now at the neighbor's lawn, spilled all over the place. So, and it's a pretty significant, we're on a hill, so the wind knocked it over and blew it down the hill to the neighbor's house. Had to scoop that up. Fortunately, that was all before I took my shower. And then, of course, I took my shower and went for my mammogram this morning, and here I am. It is like a steam bath out there. It is so humid. It's only going to be about 80, 82 is the high today, but it is just disgusting, yucky out. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing this cute little, it's like a polo top in like a t-shirt type of material. It has, the polo collar, buttons down here, I guess 3/4 of the way down the front. It has a cute little puff sleeve. It's a ribbed material, if I didn't point that out already. And I'm wearing them with my Sanctuary pants. I believe these are called the Rebel Joggers. They're cargo style here with the pockets. I got these from a Trendsend, the top from Loft. And I decided to pair this with my leopard shoes and my leopard belt. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing today, and hopefully this humidity will roll out so I can start wearing some cuter fall items. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday and welcome to my outfit of the day. So last night we had torrential rain showers, thundering, was keeping me up, and then finally it subsided so I was able to get some sleep. But it was like the house was shaking, pouring rain for a good long time. Again, today is extremely overcast, extremely humid, and there's just no end in sight. It's just day after day of this. So what am I wearing to accommodate this relentless weather? So I am dying to wear my fall outfits, and I decided to wear this one from, I'm going to say it was Ever Eve or Ever Eve inspired. The top one I got from the Trendsend. This is an Ever Eve only top. It's a little sweater that's ribbed, that's tank style, so obviously it's not going to overheat me. The outfit that she sent in the Trendsend came with a tan skirt and an ivory sweater, but I did not keep those. I did not keep the ivory sweater because I had recently purchased this one from Loft. This sweater, I believe, is 100% cotton, if I'm not mistaken, and I really do like this sweater a lot. It's very comfortable on me. The next item that I purchased on my own because I wanted to recreate that look is this tan sanctuary skirt. And I got this at Bloomingdale's. It was on sale for $33. I had originally purchased it from a Stitch Fix and then realized they were all asking full price, and I found it on sale at Bloomies for $33, so I ordered it from there. And my Trendsend stylist suggested I wear clogs with this outfit, and since I have brown clogs, that's exactly what I decided to wear. And this is my outfit for today. Yes, I'm 54 years old and still wearing a mini skirt. I am comfortable in this. If you're not, that's fine, but I like them. All right, take care and until next time. Hi everybody, it is 8 a.m. on Wednesday, rest day for me for the gym. Slept until 5:45 this morning and it was glorious. So yesterday I actually did see some sun. I did. For a very short time, and I went outside to get the mail, and it felt like the humidity had decreased. Well, guess what the weather's like today? You guessed it. Overcast, rainy, and I believe the humidity is back. So that's why I'm wearing this sleeveless top today. I had a different outfit picked out, but I was like, no, I think I'm gonna be hot in it. So I ended up choosing this black sleeveless sweater that I got from a Stitch Fix, Daniel Rain. Actually, I ordered directly from the Freestyle app on this one. It has the mock neck style with like lettuce around here, around the neckline. It's not tight or constricting on my neck at all. Sleeveless, fits great in the arms, has this pretty burnt orange and cognac floral print in small, I'll come up close so you can see a little bit better. It's a very small floral print. And I paired it with my Loft cognac brown skirt. The bottom flowers, I think, match perfectly. The top are more of a burnt orange, and then down at the bottom had more of the cognac brown. And I am wearing it, hopefully you can see this, with my black loafers. And this is my outfit for today, for this dreary Wednesday day, working from home. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is September 14th, Thursday, and today is my wedding anniversary for 21 years. We're not going to celebrate it tonight. My husband is actually working later tonight, but tomorrow night after I finish work, we're going to go out for dinner for a nice little celebration to a local restaurant. Other than that, the weather finally broke here. It's not as humid. We're going to be in the mid-70s today, which is our typical weather this time of year. Right now it's still a little bit dark and a little bit overcast out, but I have a feeling by midday the sun will break out. So what am I wearing today? I'm wearing a new sweater vest and a new top underneath from Loft that I got probably about a month ago. It's navy blue with white stripes, and it's just a puff sleeve t-shirt underneath. I saw this on the mannequin in the store, thought it was adorable. In the store they had it paired with a dark wash patch pocket denim skirt. But I did not purchase that because I have a no duplicates rule. And this is a skirt from Loft that's buttoned down with flat pockets right here in a dark wash. So I don't duplicate skirt colors either. So I know that the longer skirts are more on trend, and I love trendy styles. However, I believe that's one trend I'm going to pass on. I don't think that style is very flattering on me. So although I love trends, I don't get rid of a trend if it's out of trend, because I still love it, and I don't jump on the trend bandwagon unless I love it, if that makes sense. With it, I just have paired my white Gola sneakers, and yeah, this is my outfit for today from working from home. I do have to run to Wegmans at some point today to get some turkey because I ran out. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Friday, finally here. I am very excited that it is Friday. So what's going on for today? I got up early, took care of the bunny before I went to the gym. Came home, showered, went straight to my nutritionist, and I just ate like half a box of chocolate caramel pretzels. It was my anniversary yesterday. That was the gift my husband got for me. At this point in our lives, we don't give each other extravagant gifts. If we want something, we each go out and buy it ourselves. So we got each other snacks, and because I was getting weighed this morning, I didn't want to eat it yesterday, so I just like pretty much polished off that whole box, and that was my breakfast. So today I have to get on the computer in like 10 minutes. It cooled down quite a bit here. It's a lot cooler, way more seasonable. It's like probably like in the 50s, low 60s now, and gonna get up into the low 70s today. So with that, we are going out to dinner tonight, and I know this is not exactly an exciting date night outfit for an anniversary, but this is probably what I'm going to end up wearing because I'm not going to have much time to change after work for this. So I finally decided to break out the front door fashion. I am wearing this blazer by Liverpool. I asked for quiet luxury, and Bethany came through. When I saw this blazer in my box with this top, I gasped. I was like, oh my gosh, I mean, this is just so me, and I just thought so beautiful and put together. I had to keep it. With it is this Michael Stars top. I'm gonna come a little bit closer because there is some shimmer in this top. And usually I don't spend the money on Michael Stars tees and tanks because they're so expensive, and I don't just think they're worth the money. I felt this one was worth the money. Between the shimmer and the top and how well it went with this blazer, I had to get it. I knew I'd be hunting around for something like it, and I knew I wouldn't. So thus, there are times when I will spend that kind of money on Michael Stars tees and tanks. All right, and I did not keep the pants in that front door fashion because they were just plain light blue straight leg. So I broke out my mother light blue straight leg. However, mine are distressing. So that kind of kills the quiet luxury look, but that is okay. With it, I paired my ivory loafers, and yeah, this is my outfit for today, for Friday, which hopefully won't be too crazy busy. Yesterday certainly was, and then dinner right after that, and then this weekend. All right, take care, and until next time. Hi everyone, it is Saturday, so one of my favorite days of the week. I got up for a 6:30 gym class, went straight to food shopping, brought home my groceries, ate breakfast, and took a shower and got dressed. This is my favorite time of year for fashion. I got so excited. I spent this morning playing closet. As many of you know, I love to play closet, and I think I created outfits for the next 2 weeks that I'm excited to wear and share with you all. I can't decide which one I want to wear next. I love them all, and I don't know if this temperature is going to stay long enough where I can wear and have such fun with it. So again, this is my favorite season. Why? I love sweaters, not even just the bulky ones. This one is a Ever Eve sleeveless sweater that I just recently got in a Trendsend box. It's a very soft sweater in this beautiful ombre style with colored fabrics. It does have the mock neck that does not bother me. I just saw Laura from Little Box of Happy get this exact sweater in her box today, and I thought, how funny, I was planning on wearing this sweater. I had the outfit all hanging up. With it, I have paired this White House Black Market, what the heck do they call this color? I forget the color they call this. Sepia, all right, sepia jacket, which I think goes very well with this particular sweater. I have on my Vigos jeans with rips in them, and I have on my Chinese laundry, I think they are, mules, that I got from Nordstrom. And I forget where the jeans were I got them. It could have been I think it was a Stitch Fix or Trunk Club or possibly even a Wantable. But yeah, this is my outfit for today. Super excited it's Saturday. I'm gonna be catching up on some YouTube videos. I'm way behind because I had a very hectic work week. And I am going to buy my mother-in-law her birthday gift. She requested a gift card at J. Jill, and I have a hair here that does not want to get out of my eye. So I'm going to go over to a shopping center, which might get me in trouble when I have to purchase her gift card. So hopefully I behave and I don't buy anything, but if I do, I'll be sure to share it with you. So today wraps up the end of the week. I appreciate you joining me this week. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell, and I'll see you next week for another week of styling.